Good morning, boys and girls. For today's Morning Then activity, we're going to do I Can Build My Name. So for this activity, you're going to need a glue stick and scissors. The first thing we're going to do is cut out the letters for our name. So I'm going to cut out my letters. And cutting is such a good kindergarten skill. So we're going to hold, I have my thumb in the top, and I'm going to alligator cut across the top. Okay, friends, so now I have my letter sheet. I'm going to cut around each box. So I'm taking my time and cutting out each of my letters. So I have my P. Then let's remember our glue rule. Just a dot, not a lot. So I'm going to put a little dot of glue on the back of my first letter in my name. So I have my P, and I'm going to glue it down. Now I'm going to cut out the next letter in my name. And I'm taking my time and cutting out each letter. And I'm going to do again, just a dot, not a lot. Okay, boys and girls, you're going to continue and cut out the rest of the letters in your name.